What's up, y'all? It's your boy Clef Mikado. We back at it again with another video today. We outside. As you can see, we got the Challenger parked right here. Man, y'all gotta excuse these trash cans. It's trash day for the community, but I'm trying my best to get these water spots off the car. So today we got a little bit of a car repair project. Now, before I actually came out here, let me show y'all real quick. Man, I swear to God, I always pick the wrong days to try to do these type of videos, but I don't know if y'all could tell, the hood is still a little bit moist. Let me turn this thing around so y'all can see. This thing is still a little bit moist. Basically, I was getting all of that dust off of the actual car before we went ahead and did this little project, but right now it doesn't seem to be drying the way I want it to, but we still gonna try to make it happen because we have some hard water spots that are pretty much embedded like right in this part of the actual hood. So I got this alcohol right here, we got our spray bottle, and basically I just did like a 50-50 solution. Man, I swear to God, every time I come out in front of my garage and I want to film, it's always something. It's some airplanes, some neighbors or something. But yeah, we gonna try to knock this project out and we gonna try to get these water spots out. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you stick around to the end of the video, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Man, I swear, every time I try to film now, the wind want to go crazy right now, but it's all to the good. I'm gonna show y'all the front of the car real quick. Now, because of the wind and because of the temperature right now, it's like low 70s. The hood still hasn't completely dried yet, so I don't know if y'all can see like the streaks, but it's still damp for the most part, so it's kind of hard to see. Actually, you know what, that's a good angle right there. So all of that is what I'm trying to remove. These are the hard water spots basically that have sat on the car from when it rains and then it gets hot, and then, you know, the water just kind of bakes into the car. So we go ahead and we go see if this solution right here is gonna get that out. All right, y'all, so we go ahead and we go try our best to make this work. So I got this spray bottle and just go ahead and spray the solution on here. Once again, this is just alcohol and water. So I'm gonna just spray it on. I'm gonna start with the middle first. Start with that middle first. All right, we got it sprayed on. So I'm gonna probably just let it sit just for maybe just about a minute or so. And yeah, hopefully we go get those water spots out. Now, what I really wanted to try was a vinegar and water-based solution. I thought I had white vinegar in the house, and it ended up turning out to be magnesium citrate. And for those of y'all who don't know what magnesium citrate is, that's to help you go when it's hard to go, help you do that number 2. So so next time, you know what, if this don't actually work, I'm gonna try that vinegar solution out and see if we can get these water spots out. Otherwise, what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna probably have to do a little research. I'm not gonna take it to a professional because I'm pretty sure I can get these marks out of here. So as y'all can see, it's still sitting. So I'm gonna take, you know what, I'm gonna just take this black microfiber right here, and we just go ahead. Let me get this out of the way. We just go ahead and start wiping this thing down. And I'm hoping and praying that it does something at least, man, for real, because these water spots are like so hard to get out. Like, as many times as you go wash your car, they're not gonna come out at all. For real. And honestly, I didn't really think too much about the matte, but yeah, I think they show a lot worse in matte. And just from the looks of it, let me turn this around. I don't think this is actually gonna do anything. I could be wrong, but from this particular angle, I'm still seeing the water spot. So I'm gonna just let this dry for a second, and then we go come back and we go see if this actually did anything. All right, y'all, so we waited a little bit of time and it absolutely did nothing. So what I did, I just went ahead and I sprayed the whole entire hood. So it's only been on for maybe about a minute. I'm probably just gonna give it like another 2 minutes, and we're gonna see if we could at least get some of these water spots out. If not, then this particular experiment definitely failed, but we're not gonna give up. I'm gonna actually make this a series. This is going to be part 1 of the series if this doesn't work. The next thing we're going to try is vinegar. So we gonna let this sit for a couple more seconds and then we go try it out, man. All right, y'all, so it's been sitting, so I'm about to just go ahead and start wiping this thing down. I'ma hope and pray that we could get this out. And while I'm doing this, for those of y'all who still watching the video, man, let me know some of y'all tips. If anybody has actually dealt with this particular problem before, drop it right in the comments right now. Let me know exactly what you did to try to resolve the problem, if you were able to resolve the problem, and if so, what was the actual fix? Because like I said, it's probably going to be a little bit different for matte wraps, which is going to be vinyl, and then it's going to be different for actual paint, because a lot of people have water spots on their paint as well. So yeah, man, drop it off in the comments. Let me know the deal, because we got to figure this stuff out. You know, we pay a lot of money for our investments, for paint jobs, for vinyl wrap, and we want to protect that investment to the core. So yeah, drop that in the comments. And so far it's kind of hard to tell. At least the mat is looking real good. It just could just be because it's wet, but yeah, we go see. We go finish this up and we go let this dry and we go see what it do. All right, y'all, so on to these results, man. So I'm gonna let y'all know I'm kind of feeling the results a little bit. I don't know if y'all could tell. It does. I don't know where this stuff is flying from, man. This wind is crazy right now, man. I hope this wind not messing my video up either, because I'm filming from my phone without a windshield. But let's get back to this, man. I'm gonna just show y'all real quick. So for the most part, I think it did a good job. It did diminish some of the actual water spots, but it didn't completely remove them. And I think I'm gonna have a better look when I pull my car in the sun. But I'm pretty sure y'all can see from this angle, you can still see some of the actual residue of the hard water spots in there. So I don't know how I feel about it, but like I said, you know, it's not 100% perfect, but it did definitely do a little bit of diminishing, because they were actually showing, like, you could clearly see the water spots on the actual hood, but they did diminish them a little bit. So I don't know. I think I definitely want to try that vinegar and water solution for the most part and see how that actually works. But man, if y'all know anything, if y'all tried any of these, once again, make sure y'all drop it in the comments right now. Let me know what y'all did, or let me know if y'all know of any other alternatives or solutions to getting these hard water spots out of the cars, because it's kind of hard for some people, for people who can't garage the actual car, and for people who live in climates like I do, like living in Vegas. It gets so hot, and then you have these monsoons during the summer where it starts raining and it's still hot, and then the water just dries up on your actual car, causing water spots in your vinyl wraps and your actual paint. And man, we pay so much money for these cars, you know, this is like a real huge investment, so we definitely want to take care of it. So yeah, man, y'all let me know if y'all have any other solutions. But once again, I'm gonna just give y'all another quick look just so y'all can see that it kind of did a decent job for the most part, but these water spots are definitely still here. So yeah, we gonna figure this out. This is part one of this series. I'm actually gonna make it a part 2, since I'm not 100% satisfied with this job right now, but it did do some decent work. Now I'm pretty sure once I get my car washed, man, let me step away from here. My bad, y'all. I do not want this wind to mess my video up. My bad, y'all. I do not want this this wind to mess my video up. But once I go to the actual car wash, what I am gonna do, whatever they use to kind of like gloss up the vinyl, I'm just gonna kind of see if that does any work. Yeah, my bad. I'm gonna see if that does any actual work in helping those water spots kind of diminish, because even with that, after I get my car washed, you can still see them. So it's Thursday today. I'm gonna get my car washed tomorrow on Friday. I probably, you know, take some pictures or something like that. That way I can post it in the next video on the next experiment with the vinegar solution. So yeah, man, let's go wrap it up for today's video. You know, a nice little car repair video. Definitely needed to get that done, or see how that do, because I'm tired of looking at those water spots. But once again, let's go wrap it up. If y'all new to the channel, make sure you smash the thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you drop a comment. Let's get it.